Hey all, I am Magic up here, and today I went to Edison, New Jersey, and bought a few things. Not a lot as last time, but I think the items are more cooler. Yeah, so let's get started. The only main range I got, besides model trains, was Wooden Railway. So let's go order when I got them. First I got a Logan, which I never thought I'd get anything of sort of story collections, but here he is. Not the best condition, but it's cool. I found it. Next, we got a Tommy Rusty, which I think is the best Rusty model. Like the face, and I like the detail, especially the back. So cool. Next, we got a 2015 Thomas, which, yeah, it's kind of poopy. I only bought it because it's cool. Like, I don't like the desaturation of the blue here. The gold wheels, they're fine, but the prototype wears like shiny gold. It was much better. I still don't have a regular CGI Thomas. I have a whole bunch of variants, but not a regular one. The last wooden thing I got was a 93 four-wheeled Mavis, which I got for $8. Oh, Thomas got it for 12 and rest for 8. Yeah, not in the best condition, but she's okay. Yeah. Now, start with the model train shit. Hooray. I was actually lucky enough to find some Hornby things. Well, actually just one. Got a Hornby scruffy, which I'm so happy I got. His face is so goofy, even though it's missing one buffer. This detail is really good, and yeah, I like the under detail. It's kind of weird that the coupling's part of the scruffy's mold. Yeah, I got this for $20. Probably the same as getting a Bachmann scruffy, which I probably still will because I want to give Thomas my money. Hooray. But now let's get to the Bachmann stuff. Only got one engine of the HO range, which is Henry, and he's so cool looking. Like, look at that face, he's so cool. It actually feels kind of heavy, at least for the Bachmann model. Just maybe over there. Yeah. I actually got some 009, or I don't know what's called in America. Just got an engine with the Scarloey, which is my favorite narrow gauge engine and probably one of my favorite characters in the show. It's pretty heavy for being this small. And I decided to get some rolling stock with him, and it's a blue box van, which I'm pretty sure these are being discontinued, so luckily I got one. So I'm just gonna open these up and then I don't know, run them, because why not? Hooray. Oh yeah, I forgot I got this Bachmann 2024 catalog. It's cool. Okay, here's Scarloian. Wow, he's small, but pretty heavy, honestly. I don't really like this part of, I don't know, train lore. That's definitely plastic, which throws off the side rods. So yep, here he is. I seen a video talk about the Bachmann tally plate, and apparently this screw like fucks up the points. Oh, hopefully that doesn't happen with me. Here is the blue box fan, which is small as shit and made out of plastic, so I'm sure this is really worth the $30. Oh well. See Scruffy again. Hooray. But now time for the coolest thing. Henry. I probably should not be trying to take it out with one hand. This is tendon, which is actually pretty heavy, but just a piece of plastic. Yeah. And, Henry. Oh my god, he's so heavy. And he's beautiful. Beautiful. Time for a running test. Oops. Oh, shit. Okay. Update to the layouts. I recently went to a Goodwill and found a Bachmann N scale set for $60, which was pretty cool. And I have a second loop of N scale track. And it's cool. best part about having two different gauge engines that I don't need to separately run them both. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, sorry to Henry. There he goes. What about you, Scarlo? Those two. Hooray. Ah, shit. He died. Can he rail himself on the free-railer thing? No, he can't. Oh well. So I finished running them in, and Henry's got some problems. Like his front bogey like jumps off the track so much. I'm not sure it's because of the radius curves I have, which I hope not, because I got this with the Bachmann Tom set. So I feel like if a kid gets it, Henry, and uses it on the set, it's gonna piss him off. Like it kind of me. Oh well. I'm just gonna give these engines some trains to pull, and then we can have a running session. Then it's gonna be it. I don't have any Scarlet Railway coaches. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you all later. Goodbye.